man, nothing screams it's going to be a long week when you got a clean service truck on Monday. But there's a reason for this. Ooh, but she'd look good, though. Look at them Alcobas. Eat them up. 2022 Stellar service body. Customer states leak all over the back of the service truck. And, yeah, so I don't know if anybody else has realized this, but everything on this fucking service body stays loose and leaks all the fucking time. How are we saving money on this shit? Big jobs, here we go, big jobs. Big jobs, here we go. Yep, big jobs today, boys, big jobs. Gotta get this lined up. And done.
Shake hands with danger.
Alright, 248B. A little bit of an overheat here. Put a new fan motor on it. Yeah. Not really helping much, but so far so good. Got good pressure. So, we're figuring shit out. Starting the back of the Mitsubishi and it's leaking like a fucking sieve. We're having a good day, boys. CB10 roller, customer complaint, engine derate. Well, if you look right here, put the mouse here, water and fuel indicator, no. Active events, water and fuel indicator, high. Doesn't make any fucking sense. Come on, cat. Remember, boys, always test your leads. Look at that. Move this just the right way. She goes all over the place. It can cost you a harness if you're not paying attention. Test your shit every day. All right. Start my morning off like nerdy Christmas, boys. That's right. New spoons, all of them. There's your part number if you guys need the full kit. There you go. If you just want the single wire, there you go. Alright, so kind of an amazing deal here where I actually have a video on Instagram that actually hit over 1 million views. Done it on Facebook, but never on Instagram. So again, I wanted to thank everybody who watched the video. Not that it does anything monetary wise to me, but yet it's kind of a cool deal. And for all the new subscribers and followers, welcome, enjoy. And remember, P-Pump the world, boys. Alright, good morning everybody. Alright, so if you guys recall a while back, we had that 349 FL that, well, we had DEF in the cooling system. Well, old Uncle Josh is out there flushing it this morning, and what do we got here? If you look real close, that is the coolant after a coolant flush, and the coolant cleaner being added to it. And so, recap, DEF injector's been replaced, DEF pump's been replaced, and obviously numerous amounts of components on the engine, water pump, oil pump, or water pump, oil cooler, NRS cooler, all this has been replaced. Multiple outlets and what have you, thermostat housings, all been replaced. This is the coolant we're still getting out of the machine. He's still in the process of flushing it with extensive ammonia smell. So again, I'm down to one other DEF component that could be possibly a failure point, obviously being the DEF manifold and or possibly diverter valve. So I don't know. You guys hit me. Most people be like, I'm on spring break right now, let's fucking go. I'm in the middle of fucking Amish country resealing a fucking dozer cab. This is great.
Hey, y'all better look the fuck out today. My crayons are short, the box is full, my bottle of glue's topped off, and my helmet's on tight, baby. We about to rism with the tism. Let's get with it.